Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to show you a simple yet delicious chocolate dessert recipe that will surely impress your guests. It's easy, quick, and made with just a few ingredients that you probably already have at home. But before we dive into the recipe, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and while you're at it, click the bell icon so you never miss a tasty recipe like this one. Trust me, your notifications will thank you. Let's get started. For this chocolate delight, you'll need the following ingredients: 3 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, a little vanilla sugar, and some hot milk. Oh, and don't forget the star of the show, dark chocolate for that rich, luxurious touch. First, grab a bowl and mix together the egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch. Whisk it until you get a smooth, creamy mixture. Now it's time to add a hint of vanilla sugar for that extra burst of flavor. Keep whisking until everything is well combined. Once you've got your mixture ready, slowly pour in some hot milk. You want to add it gradually while stirring constantly to make sure everything blends perfectly without curdling. The heat from the milk will begin to thicken the mixture, but we're not done yet. Now that everything is combined, transfer the mixture to a saucepan and place it on low heat. Keep stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. The key here is patience, don't rush it. Stir gently and watch as the mixture thickens into a smooth, custard-like consistency. This process might take a few minutes, but it's worth the wait. Once your mixture has thickened nicely, it's time for a little creativity. Divide the mixture into 2 portions. In one of the portions, add some dark chocolate and stir until it melts completely, giving you a rich, dark chocolate cream. The contrast of colours will make this dessert visually stunning. Now for the fun part, layering. Grab your dessert glasses and start pouring the 2 mixtures in layers. You can alternate between the white custard and the dark chocolate cream to create a beautiful 2-tone effect. It not only looks elegant, but also adds a delicious variety of flavours in each bite. Once you've filled your glasses, you can let them cool to room temperature and then pop them in the fridge to chill for a bit. When they're nice and cold, they're ready to serve. This dessert is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual dinner with family or a fancy gathering with friends. And there you have it. A simple, elegant, and oh so delicious chocolate dessert that's sure to impress. If you give this recipe a try, don't forget to snap a picture and tag us on social media. We love seeing your creations. Finally, if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to subscribe and of course hit that notification bell. That way you'll be the first to know whenever we upload new recipes. You definitely don't want to miss out on what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!